Alarm clock scream, sneakers hit pavement. Yeah, pavement. Knuckles grind chrome while the city take pavement. Every step cracks ice on tomorrow's staircase. Breath turns to smoke where the hunger won't wait. Pressure make diamonds and fistfuls of gravel. Tempo locked tight like a piston unravel. Chain links rattle where the daylight gets chained, but souls keep traction when the storm meets the flame. Higher, wires catch fire. Echoes bounce off the canyon's cold choir. Dawn cracks the whip where the night expires. Every scar's a ladder wrong, climbing through fire. Higher, shadow drowns liar. Rising bends but the grip won't tire. Concrete blooms where the dreams conspire. Count the miles in the acres inside. Oh, calluses map all the subway train rhythm. Bank vault dreams split through prism of wisdom. Third floor lights cut the fog into fragments. Hustle's a hammer breaking mirrors to fragments. Pressure make diamonds and fistfuls of gravel. Tempo locked tight like a piston unravel. Chain links rattle where the daylight gets chained.